Hello friends, if you're looking to delete a certain page on your Facebook account in the new Facebook, then watch this video till the end. After the new Facebook has launched, some things have become very confusing and a few things are not available upfront. I had this page that you can see on screen for quite some time, and this page was not needed anymore, so I thought I'll delete this page. However, I could not find the option for deleting this page. I had to search for a long time before I could find the option. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can delete a page from the new Facebook. I'm going to make it quick so that you can get to the point very fast. If you're here for the first time and you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing because I create this kind of videos very frequently. Thanks a lot. Let's start the video. Welcome back. So I have this page which is bajarhat.com official, and I don't want to use this page anymore because this page I could not work on. I wanted to attach a different website to this and have a different business plan, but it didn't work. So I wanted to delete this page, but after the new update I was not able to find the option. So I searched all over here and all, but the options were not there. Now before I show you the option, I'll show you how to delete this photo here on the cover, because I don't want any of those previous content to be present on the page before I delete it. Okay, so I'll click on edit here and I'll click on remove. That will remove the cover picture from here. I'll say confirm. So now it's gone. Now you can go to more, go to photos from here, and you can see that these are the two things that are there. Cover photos. This is the cover photo that I uploaded earlier, so I will click on this and delete the photo from here. Okay, so delete it. That photo is gone. Now I'm going to delete this page entirely. So I'll refresh this page once so that you can see that cover photo is not there anymore. You see it's not there. Similarly, you can delete the profile photo as well. Open it up, come here and select delete photo. That is also gone, and refresh. Alright, so after you have deleted the photos and your content, you can go to the left navigation bar, okay, here the sidebar, and scroll down. There you will find the option called settings. Under settings there are a lot of things. Okay, you can change all of these options for your page. Okay, you can come here and for each of these categories you will find the options here listed. Okay, so you scroll down and you can see that option here which says remove page. It is under the general category here. Okay, so general, remove page. Click on edit and it says permanently delete Bajarhat. Okay, so I want to permanently delete this page, so I'll click on this, and it says once you delete a page you will not be able to get it back. If you think you will want to come back to your page in the future, you can unpublish it instead of deleting it. So you have an option to unpublish it, where the people who are members of this page or who are just browsing through Facebook, they will not be able to see the page. Okay, but the page will still be there. But I don't want that. I want the page to be completely deleted. For that, I'll click on this delete button. They're asking, are you sure you want to delete Bajarhat? I am sure that I want to delete, so I'll click on delete, and it says page deleted. Okay, so click on OK. Okay, before I clicked on OK, it refreshed the page. Now you can see all my pages. Okay, but that particular page is not there. Right, so that's how you can delete a page from your Facebook account. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll find out more options on Facebook and create more videos in the future. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.